Hi guys, my name is Eddie from the Canadian Tire. Today I want to show you how to secure the barn door when you're backing up to the dock. Okay, the first we're going to open the door and then make sure the handle is placed in the lock the door. When you want to secure the door, usually there's the chain over here, and there's a little hook in the behind the cross member over here. This one goes and you secure the door. Sometimes this chain is little longer than usual, and it's causing when you're backing up, as the door is shaking, and this chain is come up the hook, and the door is open, and you hit the dock. And I saw this so many times. The door is completely come up from the trailer, it's fall on the ground. And the second damage to vendor property, dock, and the plate in the dock is that there's a damage on it. Okay, what we do to secure the door? This is the bungee cord. We use the one side. You look the the door handle has a lock latch to the trailer. We put it in the one side over here and just go under the knee of the trailer. There is the cross member, and I can't tell you guys, in container there is some special, there's a hole under the trailer container. You can use that one too. Right now we are in the van, and there's a cross member, and we're going to attach the other side, the bungee cord, to one of the cross member. And when you come outside over here, and now you can see the door is tight and secure. When you're backing up to the door, it's not shaking, it's not going to open it. And the first time I told you that when the chain is longer, the door is wide open. When you're backing up to the dock, it's going to block your view. Even you cannot even see the dock to backing up. Make sure you use the bungee cord to secure the door. When you finish, you want to close the door, just go back the same thing, open it, take it out the bungee cord, and then close your door, and then make sure the bottom and the top portion is completely locked, and close the handle and the secure. If you want to put the seal or whatever, that's all. I hope you guys you're going to use the bungee cord to secure the door to avoid damage to the trailer and the damage to the vendor property, especially the dock, and to avoid claiming to the Canada Cartage. Thank you and have a nice day.